Hello children! Today I'm going to talk about pancakes. Yes, what are pancakes? Well, a pancake or a hot cake could be called like that. It is a flat cake, often thin and round, and may contain eggs, milk, and butter, and cooked on a hot surface such as a grill or frying pan with oil or butter. Pancakes may be served at any time of the day or year with a variety of toppings or fillings. In North America, they are typically considered a breakfast food and serve a similar function to waffles. And today we are going to make pancakes. Do you want to see how I make them? Let's go to my kitchen, kids. Come on! If you want to make the pancakes in your house, in your kitchen, and record yourself doing and saying the steps of pancakes recipe, this worksheet you can see in the classroom, okay? It's uploaded in the planning. To make the pancakes, the ingredients are sugar, brown sugar, flour, oil, milk, egg, and baking powder. The first step is, in a small bowl like this, beat an egg with a fork. Add half cup of flour to the bowl. Add 3 teaspoons sugar to the bowl. 1, 2, and 3. Add a half teaspoon baking powder to the bowl. We mix all together like this. Add a half cup of milk to a different bowl. We add the half cup of milk. We add the 3 teaspoon oil. 1, 2, and 3. Now we fill with this bowl to the flour and sugar. And we mix all together again. To make the pancakes, we fill all of this in the fry pan.